Friends, we can provide you with a variety of best-selling DIY clustered segment false eyelashes, natural styles, pretty fluffy styles, and customized styles. They are made of PBT, silk protein materials, without the bulkiness of traditional false eyelashes, so that every woman can have the most comfortable false eyelashes. At the same time, we provide exclusive customization service, customized DIY clustered eyelash sets, and clustered eyelash trays for you. You only need to provide your own logo file and select the required false eyelash style. The rest of the work will be done by us.